Want to know how to generate a rhythm track in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application. And now once you open that here, you should be provided with this interface right here. So generating it is super simple. You can just simply import any audio or select an empty part of the track right here. Or if you haven't imported, you can just simply directly hit towards generate right here on the top navigation bar. And here you should be seeing something known as rhythm tracking. So just simply select it. And now once you select your rhythm track, you can just simply time in the BPM, the beats per bar, string amount, and much more. We can also edit the numerous bars as you want. And once you're done, you can just simply select generate right here. Now once you've selected generate, here as you can see, a small rhythm track has been generated. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.